guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're going to do staircase bowling. So we're going to bowl a ball down the stairs, see how many skittles we can hit. Who can get the most points? The loser gets slimed.
That's Daddy. He's going to be blue.
I think you're going to lose. I'm going to pour a bucket of slime over your head. Let's find out. So we've got some skittles all the way down here. And we've got all these stairs, and there's a Phoebe at the top, and Phoebe's going to have a ball. She's brushing her hair at the moment. We're going to be bowling the ball down the stairs, bonk, and see how many skittles we can knock down. Okay, first up is Phoebe. She's going to be the first competitor in this game. So you know what to do. You've got to bowl the ball down the stairs and see how many pins you can knock over. Ready, steady, go! How many pins have we got? Let's go have a look. How many pins are left standing? 1, 2. 2 pins down. Oh, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 pins down. That's 4 points for Phoebe. My turn next, so I'm gonna have a go.
1, 2, 3, go!
See if I can beat Phoebe's 4. Are you ready? Oh no! No! Phoebe's second go. My first one was nothing, and Phoebe's first one was 4. Let's see how many points you can get on your second go. Oh! Rebound. You got 3. Is it 3? Yep, 3. Well done. Still beating me. So you've now got 7. And how many have I got? 0. Right, Daddy's second turn now. I've got 0 points. Phoebe's got 7 points. So.
See if you can beat me.
No, I don't think I will. But let's give it a try anyway. Ready, go. Oh, I got 2.
So Daddy's got 2 points.
2 points and you got 7. I don't think I'm going to beat you this time. Phoebe's third go. So let's see how she does on round number 3. Oh, it smashed it. Three more points for Phoebe. So you now have 10 points. And how many do I have? 2 points. Shot number 3. Phoebe's got 10 points, I've only got 2. I don't even think it's possible for me to win now. This is only 6 skills. But I'm going to give it a try anyway. Are you ready for the last shot? Loser gets slimed. 'Alright,
we're going to make slime for Daddy to get slime.
Right, we've finished that challenge. And Phoebe got 10 points. And I got how many points? 2 points. That means Phoebe is the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. And that means I get slimed. So, winner, chicken dinner is your medal. Are you gonna come and slime Daddy now?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Come on then.
I go.
That was disgusting. I hope I never lose a challenge ever again.